This is your study guide for the Human Body Systems Test. You need to know the function of the systems and some of the organs in that system. Starting with the circulatory system, the function of the circulatory system is to transport nutrients, water, oxygen to the billions of your body's cells. This is a transport system. The main organs of the circulatory system are your heart, your blood, your capillaries, and your blood vessels. You have two kinds of blood vessels: veins, which are dark red or not really bright red, and then you have, or bluish. Then you have arteries, and arteries are red. Remember that the arteries start with R sound, and so it is red. Okay, so that is the function of the circulatory system is to transport your food and your water and your oxygen to your cells. Here's an example of the so I gave you this presentation also in a different form. I want you to watch this video. I love the way this little blood cell character explains the circulatory system. And I love the way he says the word body. I love that. So please watch that. Here is just a diagram of this, and the capillaries where the red blood cells are feeding the cells, and then you have the blood returning to the heart in the veins. Respiratory system. The respiratory system is your breathing system. The function is to let you breathe. You take in oxygen and you remove carbon dioxide from your body. You have your lungs, your nasal passage, which means your nose tube all the way to your lungs, your bronchi, your trachea, and your diaphragm help control your lungs. So those are the major organs of your respiratory system. Here's a diagram of the respiratory system. You see the alveoli. They are the little sacs that the air exchanges with the blood. Okay, the alveoli. All right, so let's move on. The digestive system breaks down food that you can use for your body's energy. The main organs are your tongue, which is also a muscle, your teeth, which is also a bone, your esophagus, which is the tube that goes from your mouth to your stomach, then your stomach, your intestines, your small intestines, and your large intestines, the rectum, and the pancreas, but not quite in that order. So your intestines, your small intestines, are the ones that are first, and they remove the nutrients. The large intestines remove the water from your food. So your body can use that. It breaks down the food so that you can use your energy in your body. Here's a diagram of the digestive system. You have the small intestines and the large intestines wrap around. Your stomach is right here, and then you have your liver. The nervous system transmits signals between the body and the brain. This controls all of your activities. The main organs are the brain, the spinal cord, the brain stem, the nerves, and your sensory organs like your ears, your nose, your skin, your tongue, and your ears, eyes also belong in the nervous system, help you observe and taste and feel and smell. There's a diagram of the nervous system. You have nerves all throughout your body and your brain. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones in the adult body. You have over 300 bones in the baby, but those bones fuse together to form the 206 adult bones. The function is to give you support, to give you a shape, and for protection. You need protection in your heart and lungs, and the ribs do that. You need protection of your brain, and the skull does that. Here are just a few of the 206 bones in the body: rib cage, skull, otherwise known as the cranium, the spine, the tibia, the femur, humerus, pelvis, fibula, phalanges, shoulder blade, clavicle, teeth, radius, ulna, mandible, wrist bones, patella, and the list goes on. Here's a diagram of the skeletal system. The muscular system helps your body move and maintain posture. So some muscles are your skeletal muscles. that are attached to your skeleton: your tongue, your glutes, your biceps, triceps, quadriceps, hamstring, calves, your abs, and your heart. And there's more. There's 600 muscles in your body. Here's a diagram of the muscles in the body. And they all have a certain name. You need to know 3 names of muscles and 3 names of bones for your test. You need to know the function of each system for your test.